Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS8078, Green Computing, Unit 2, topic Green Information Systems Design and Development Models. Objective to understand about the concepts of Green Information System. Green Information System, it is a software system that provides support to the business to implement its environment responsible business strategies. Phases in a Green Information System development and deployment. In this diagram, first we are going to see the develop. In this develop, it is used to be developed by following agile practices, and also it is used for considering the important phases that should start from requirements, analysis, design and code testing. Here the analysis and design of the system is undertaken using the unified modeling language diagram. Using this diagram, it helps to modeling the problem space and develop a solution in design space. The next one is configure. It is used for the benchmark and rules of organizations. It is an activity that should be specific to each organization within each industry sector. Next one is use case. It will lead to the ongoing recording of carbon data, creation of reports as well as the companies. Futures of GIS. It should play an important role in enhancing the ability of business to coordinate. Here we have some steps that should be followed. Collecting environment related data in real time, providing coding tools, key performance indicators, and business analytics to field workers and decision makers in the area of AI, enhancing the decision making capabilities of senior management by collecting and computing up to date information from varied external sources. GIS can continuously identify and upgrade business processes and business practices in manufacturing, sales, and field support operations in order to make them environmentally responsible. It also provides feedback to customers and other external users of the business on its environmental performance. Modeling and architecting green information system. It requires design, implementation and testing. Here it lists out some UML diagrams. First one is package diagram. Using this package diagram, you can able to create and model subsystem. It can also be used to create increment and sprints in an agile development approach. The next one is use cases. It is used to show functionalities and business process from a user's point of view. The next one is the use case diagram. It also provides a model describing all the related business process of a particular package. The next graph is activity graph. It provides a detailed view of every step of a business process. The next diagram is class diagram. It provides a static model of green information system. It's based on its key business entities. The next one is sequence diagram. It provides the model for the interaction between the object, and also it is used for the interactions that are architectural decisions. Next one is state machine diagram. It is a particular entity passes through different states as a business process is executed. The next one is component diagram. It shows the interaction of every component with each other. The next one is deployment diagram. It shows the way application, how they deployed, including hardware and related infrastructure. Next one is green information system requirement. It is developed to measure only energy consumption and environmental parameters such as carbon emissions, chemical wastes and other office and industrial wastages. Here we have two steps. First one is green organizational portal. The next one is regulatory standards portal. There first we are going to see the green organizational portal means it is used for the green performance. For example, heat generated by the desktop machines, data centers and network equipments, carbon emissions in the petrol or diesel, hazardous materials produced by the organization activities. The next one is regulatory standard portal. It is will be maintained by the government agency that should be responsible for the emission control within a country or region. The next one is a package diagram and system scope. Okay, it shows all the functionality required to record, calculate, analyze and report on carbon emissions. Okay, in this diagram it shows some functions like emissions detail management and comparing them with standards that should be done based on the company's size and location. Next, we are going to see some examples for the different diagrams of UML. First one is use case diagram. Okay, it shows the use cases and their relationships, some of the use cases that should be documented in subsequent sections. The next one is ROP. It shows actors, use cases and their relationships using for creating and updating and maintaining emission benchmarks. Next one is the activity diagram. Okay, it shows the model for the process by which the regulatory authority, using this you can able to establish emission standards. In this diagram also it should be corresponding to not currently documented. Next, activity diagram. Using this activity diagram you can able to calculate emissions. That means worker specifies emissions and pollutants in device. The next one is class diagram. Using this class diagram you can able to maintain emission standards. That means government administrator logs in portal and provides details as well as create or update standard on the basis of emissions. Here the government administrator sets standard in the system and also it is used to store them. And also it shows some sequence diagram for the emission check. Okay, in this sequence diagram for the emissions check, it shows the relationship and the activity of the organization. Thank you.